Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. Today, I'll show you how to make a traditional Italian dessert, panna cotta, in its vegetarian version, made with agar agar instead of gelatin. Panna cotta, meaning cooked cream in Italian, comes from the Piedmont region and has a fascinating backstory. One story says it was first made by a Hungarian woman in the early 19th century, when people used fish bones to thicken cream instead of gelatin. What we do know is that in the 1960s, Ettore Songhia added panna cotta to his restaurant menu, and from there, it became the beloved dessert we know today. You'll see the ingredients list on your screen and in the video description below. And don't forget, if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium pot, combine the cream, milk, sugar, and agar agar powder. Whisk until dissolved. Tip: if you want a softer panna cotta, reduce the agar agar to just 1/8 teaspoon. And remember, it dissolves best in cold liquid, not hot. Place the pot on medium-low heat and stir constantly as it warms up. Yes, it may feel boring, but it's the only way to prevent the milk from sticking or burning. Slowly bring it to a boil in about 8 to 10 minutes. If it's too slow, raise the heat slightly. If it bubbles too quickly, turn it down. Once boiling, keep it there for 1 to 2 minutes to activate the agar agar. Remove from heat, then stir in a pinch of salt and the vanilla extract. For extra smoothness, you can strain the mixture before pouring it into your molds. Very lightly grease the molds. Then pour in the mixture. Let them cool for 10 minutes at room temperature, then cover them, I'll use plastic wrap, and place in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours, or better yet, overnight. Okay, I left mine in the refrigerator overnight. Now it's time to carefully unmold the panna cotta. Tip: to help release it, dip the mold briefly into hot water, or give it about 10 seconds in the microwave before flipping it onto a plate. I'll be topping mine with homemade blackcurrant jelly and fresh blackberries, but you can use any jelly, fruit, or berries you love. Enjoy your dessert! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. See you next time!